Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Trade of the Day. And for today's Trade of the Day, I'll be looking at the Kiwi franc. Now, this is quite an exotic cross, so people hardly look at it. But I thought since the Kiwi was one of the better performing currencies so far for the month of June, and the franc was pretty muted, maybe it would be a good opportunity to look for trades on the intraday level. So with that, let's hurry dive in. Now, what I have here is on the daily, and on the daily, I just want to point out very quickly that price made a low, right? And then it made a high, it made a higher low, and then it made a higher high, and then it made a higher low. Now, if we were to connect all these lines very clearly, we can tell that on the daily, price is essentially essentially on an uptrend. Okay, not the best trend line, but price is on an uptrend. Further, we see that there's sort of a zigzag. So let's use Fibonacci extension, low, here and to here, and we see the price actually stopped near the 100% level. All right, so this 100% level, we can just highlight it. Okay, and very quickly, let's go down. Okay, before I go down to a lower time frame, there is a graphical support level over here. Okay, here's the graphical support. Okay, so that's the daily support, and let's go down to the 4 hours. Now I just want to tidy this up very quickly. Okay, so on the 4 hours, this is what we see, right? Price made sort of a zigzag movement here, ended here, and then pulled back and is going up. So if we are taking this whole zigzag movement as one movement, right? Because in Elliott wave there's an ABC, all right? So we can take 1, 2, and then 3. So let's use extension from the low to 0.2 to 0.3, and we see the price is actually testing the 100% level now. So let's open our Fibonacci ratio. We see that the 100% level is here with the 127 to higher. So let's just highlight these two levels. Yeah, I just want to highlight these two levels. Okay. Further, we also see that price has made a straight push up. So we can use Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, open all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, and we see that the negative 27.2 is actually in line with the 127.2. So this is a clear Fibonacci sort of resistance zone. Okay, I'm just going to highlight this entire area, and if I have to stretch further back is where price spiked to. Okay, so this is a strong resistance zone. I want to highlight the negative 27. Okay, and further, right, we also see that 23.6 is at this overlap. Okay, so I want to highlight 23.6 and negative 27.2. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so now that we have all the levels, let me just put in the 4-hour resistance. Okay, there's a 4-hour resistance here. Okay, so 4H, and then there's a small resistance here as well. I will use this as dotted, okay, because it's a smaller one. Of course, we have a support at the 23%, right? So this support, quite the 4-hour support. Okay, so let's just go even lower to the 1-hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour, we see a very strong and clear ascending trend line support. Okay, let me just put all this in line. Okay, a very clear ascending trend line support, right? And we actually see that price is sort of coming back down. It reacted, right? It already reacted at 100%. So the next time it comes back up, it will probably break the 100%. So this 100% is technically quite weak. So it reacted and is coming back down, right? So what we can do is, we see this push up here, we can take a retracement from the low to the high. Okay, open all Fibonacci ratio, but I want to look for the 61 and the 78. Okay, and we see that the 61 and the 78 is actually on close to the 4-hour support, right, with the 61.8 over there, close to the ascending trend line support. Okay, so this is what I see. Okay, we have a 4-hour target. All right, we have a smaller short-term target here. Okay, the 1 hour. All right. So I'm waiting for price to essentially come back to this 61.8, and I'll use this as my buy entry. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll play all the way up to the 4-hour target. Sorry, this bullish arrow. All right. With my 1 hour as my take profit. Okay, but partial take profit. Okay, so why this is the partial is because it's, even though it's really tested, it is still the 100% extension. All right, and it's still a key resistance. All right, and my final take profit will be this one. Okay, so once my partial take profit is touched, okay, this level here, this 4-hour support will be my stop loss. Once the partial take profit is touched, I'll move my stop loss to slightly above my buy entry to protect my position. So if price actually comes back down, okay, I will not lose money at all, right? So this is how I will take the trade. Okay, so thanks for tuning in to today's very quick analysis of the trade of the day for Kiwi Franc. I hope pointed out some interesting concept to you guys. Trade safe and have a great day ahead. Thank you.